Okay, in this tutorial, we're just going to run through how you can add a testimonial to a testimonial rotating banner on your website. So you can see here on this site, as we scroll down, there's some testimonials down the bottom here. And if we click through, there's a whole bunch of them there. And obviously, as more and more testimonials are obtained, then we want to be able to add them to those banners. So what we do is we go back to the dashboard, and that was the home page we were on there. So I'm just going to click on Pages. And I'm going to go to the home page in this instance. And we're going to scroll down to the testimonial section of this page once it loads, which is taking its time. Okay, so it's underneath. Yep, cool. So we'll go find that. Find testimonials. So we'll click on the testimonials slider. And there's a couple, and these are all the testimonials here. And there's a couple of ways you can go about this. I personally like to copy an existing testimonial and amend it. And the reason I do that is because I know that all of the content's going to be in exactly the same format. Now, to do that, you literally just click on this guy here, which duplicates it. And then when you click on this button here, you can jump in and you can amend all of the content to suit. And all the little stars and everything will be in there. All you need to do is change the content, change their photo if you have one, and then at the bottom, come down here and change the admin label to whatever the name of the testimonial is. And we save that. And then when you go back into your dashboard here, you can see that it's been saved as something different. And that's all you really need to do. You're going to make sure you save and exit. And then it's pretty much, and then of course, you have to update the page. So I'll show you what that looks like. I'm just going to, we don't necessarily want this on there, so I'm just going to remove that, but let's just pretend it was there for the example. So I'm going to click Save and Exit. And then I can either go through and I can preview it right here, or if I'm happy with it without checking it, I mean, you should preview it anyway, but then we can go and just click Update. So clicking Update will update that site and make it live. So it's a good idea to preview things before you update, just so that you make sure that everything's in the right position. But yeah, it's as simple as that. So that's how you do it.